method of vermiculture is known as the expandable worm tower method. As you can see, tower of trays are made. It is a very refined method of obtaining vermicompost. Generally, this type of vermicomposting or vermiculture is done in foreign countries. In this method, the finished compost is automatically separated from the scrap food. As you can see on the bottom tray, there is the food material, the scrap, as well as earthworms are placed. So when the earthworms are finished by consuming the organic or by converting the organic waste into compost from the bottom tray, they automatically move up to the next tray which contains fresh organic material. So we can say that the bottom tray contains the bedding, that is a combination of fiber and food along with the worm. And when the worms are finished converting the organic waste into compost, the second tray, which is on top of the bottom tray, already contains the fresh scrap of food or fresh bedding to which the worm crawl up. As you can see through the wire mesh, from the bottom tray, the earthworm is migrating up to the upper tray. So this is how automatically the bottom tray contains the worm compost. We have automatically separated the compost from the worm, and now the worm easily consumes the organic waste from the tray which is above it, and thus we get the compost continuously from the tower method. So as the worm feed on first tray and form finished compost, they move on to the second tray. Thus, by adding new layer of bed, that is the tray, without having to manually separate the worms from the finished compost. So this is the most refined method of obtaining the compost and is generally used in foreign countries. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं कि ट्रेज प्लेस्ड हैं जिसमें बॉटम ट्रे में फूड या बेडिंग है, जिसमें अर्थवॉर्म भी प्लेस्ड है. जब कंपोस्ट बन जाता है तो अर्थवॉर्म बॉटम ट्रे से ऊपर वाली ट्रे में पहुंच जाता है और इस तरीके से ऑटोमेटिकली जो कंपोस्ट है वो अर्थवॉर्म से सेपरेट हो जाता है.